Stockholmstullen. Har ni blockat söder körbana i Rodella?
Jag sa det 250. Vi har lagt fickmaskar här och drar.
Ja, men det går på ni blockar andra körbanan. I så fall körfältet.
Ja, ni kommer emot oss i nästa med. Ni kommer emot oss. Ingen mer som trafik.
Uppåt en tack.
Det är 2 bilar. Vilken av dem är det?
Det är bilen som kommer här nu. Den kör ut.
Uppfattat.
Kör.
Ja, så blir det fickmaskar.
Bra jobbat i lag. Jag ska fortsätta platsen i USA.
Ja, det går 23 norrut igen här. Hastigheten har tagits ner. Försöker få bekräftat på mattan här. Ja, det är stopp!
So the court did not like his high-speed driving in the dark, on wet roads, not stopping for police despite they're using both lights and sirens in order to stop him, driving on the wrong side of the road, against traffic, in bends where he didn't see if there would come oncoming traffic. He was sentenced to gross negligence in traffic. However, he was not sentenced to jail. He was sentenced to basically courses in order to get him to stop his addiction treatment, which is basically he have no choice than assist these courses. So let's hope he get out of his addiction, and it's only himself that can decide that. Anyway, glad no one we got hurt, and do thumbs up and do subscribe for more of these police pursuits, active driving encounters by GTBOARD.